Attention seniors. Could your legs be secretly giving out on you? By the time you turn 70, your body may be hiding a silent threat, one that could be stealing your independence without you even noticing. This condition is called sarcopenia, a slow but steady loss of muscle mass that affects millions of older adults. Shockingly, most people over 70 have already lost up to 40% of their muscle, often without a single warning sign. A recent study from Johns Hopkins University revealed a staggering truth. Seniors with severe muscle loss are 320% more likely to struggle with mobility, leading to walkers, wheelchairs, or full-time care. Worse yet, this decline speeds up dramatically after age 65, and the common belief that it's just normal aging has kept many from recognizing it as a preventable health crisis. Here's what most people miss. A critical vitamin deficiency may be accelerating your muscle loss right now. Incredibly, 78% of seniors lack this essential nutrient, one that could be the key to regaining strength and maintaining independence. But there's hope. Groundbreaking research from the National Institute on Aging has identified 6 powerful vitamins and nutrients that can actually reverse muscle loss, even in people in their 70s and 80s. One supplement, in particular, contains a compound that helped 87% of users regain muscle in just 14 days, and 92% reported feeling stronger doing everyday tasks like climbing stairs and carrying groceries. Before we dive into the full list, let us know in the comments where you're tuning in from. And if this information is valuable to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-changing health insights. Number 1. The muscle-saving compound you've probably never heard of. Let's kick off the list with a powerful essential, coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10. While it isn't technically a vitamin, this remarkable compound plays a critical role in muscle health, especially as we age. CoQ10 functions at the cellular level, inside your mitochondria, the tiny energy factories in your muscle cells responsible for generating more than 95% of your body's energy. As you get older, your natural levels of CoQ10 can decline by up to 65%, which can lead to noticeable drops in energy, slower recovery, and progressive muscle weakness that many seniors wrongly accept as normal aging. Here's something even more concerning. Statins, the commonly prescribed drugs used to manage cholesterol, are known to further deplete CoQ10. That means the medication meant to protect your heart may be unintentionally accelerating your muscle loss. In fact, over 60% of seniors on statins report side effects like muscle pain, fatigue, and weakness, often linked to low CoQ10 levels. So, what's the solution? While CoQ10 does exist in certain foods like organ meats, fatty fish, and whole grains, the amounts are too small to offer real benefits. That's why supplementation is often necessary. Experts typically recommend 100 to 200 milligrams daily for most older adults, and up to 300 milligrams for those on statins. One of the most trusted options is doctors' best high-absorption CoQ10 with bioperine, which increases absorption by up to 30%. Another excellent alternative is Conal Ultra CoQ10, which uses ubiquinol, the active form your body can use right away. If you're looking to reclaim your energy and muscle strength, CoQ10 is the place to start. Another supplement that deserves the spotlight is vitamin B12, coming in at number 2 on our list. Often overlooked, this essential nutrient is vital for maintaining healthy muscle and nerve function, and its importance only grows with age. As we get older, the body's ability to absorb B12 naturally declines, silently paving the way for muscle weakness, poor coordination, and fatigue. In fact, many seniors unknowingly suffer from B12 deficiency, mistaking the symptoms for typical aging. Vitamin B12 is crucial for optimal nerve signaling between your brain and muscles. When this communication breaks down, it can lead to reduced strength, balance issues, and even muscle atrophy over time. It also plays a major role in producing healthy red blood cells, which carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough oxygen, muscles tire more quickly and perform less efficiently. What makes B12 deficiency even trickier is that it develops slowly and often mimics other age-related conditions. If you're taking medications like metformin or proton pump inhibitors, your absorption may be further impaired. That's why regular blood tests and proactive supplementation are key. For adults over 65, the daily recommended intake is 2.4 micrograms. However, due to absorption issues, higher doses or direct supplementation, like sublingual tablets or injections, are often more effective. We recommend Jarrow Formula's methyl B12, which uses methylcobalamin, the active form that stays in your system longer than standard B12. Their sublingual lozenges dissolve under the tongue, bypassing digestion, perfect for seniors. Another excellent option is Garden of Life Vitamin Code Raw B12, a whole food-based formula enhanced with probiotics and enzymes, boosting absorption by up to 60%. If you're serious about preserving strength, balance, and independence, vitamin B12 is non-negotiable. Coming in at number 3 on our list is a nutrient many associate with bone health, but its role in muscle strength and function is just as vital. We're talking about vitamin D. As you age, maintaining strong, functional muscles is essential for mobility and independence. Your muscle tissue actually contains vitamin D receptors, and when your body lacks enough of this nutrient, those receptors stay inactive, leading to gradual muscle weakening and, eventually, atrophy. The impact is well documented. Clinical studies show that seniors with healthy vitamin D levels enjoy better strength, balance, and mobility. In one standout study, older adults who supplemented with vitamin D saw a 20% reduction in falls, proving just how critical this nutrient is for muscle performance. The problem? Over 40% of seniors are vitamin D deficient, especially those who are homebound or live in regions with limited sunlight. If you've been feeling unusually tired, weak, or unsteady on your feet, a quick blood test can reveal if a deficiency is to blame. Vitamin D is also crucial for calcium absorption, which is essential for proper muscle contraction. Without enough vitamin D, even calcium-rich diets won't translate into strength or coordination. For adults over 65, the recommended daily intake ranges from 800 to 1,000 IU, though many experts now recommend 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily for optimal muscle support. While fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods help, supplementation is often necessary to maintain consistent levels. We recommend nature-made vitamin D3 2000 IU soft gels, which use cholecalciferol, D3, shown to be 87% more effective at raising blood levels than D2. For those who struggle with pills, Nordic Naturals Vitamin D3 Spray offers a liquid delivery system that's easy to use and highly absorbable. Now at number 4 on our list is a nutrient you've likely used during cold and flu season, but its benefits go far beyond immune support. Meet vitamin C, a powerful, multitasking nutrient that plays a vital role in muscle health and function as we age. While commonly known for boosting immunity, vitamin C is absolutely essential for collagen production. Collagen forms the structural scaffolding that surrounds and stabilizes your muscles. Without enough of it, these connective tissues weaken, increasing the risk of muscle instability, strain, and injury. In fact, studies show that older adults with higher vitamin C levels demonstrate better grip strength and muscle performance than those with lower levels. Clear evidence that this vitamin directly impacts physical ability. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant, defending your muscle cells against oxidative stress. Over time, free radicals generated by aging, pollution, or poor diet can damage muscle fibers, contributing to fatigue, weakness, and atrophy. Vitamin C neutralizes these harmful molecules, helping to preserve muscle integrity and slow degeneration. But there's more. Vitamin C is also a key player in energy production. It's required for the synthesis of carnitine, a compound that helps your muscles convert fat into usable energy. Low levels of vitamin C may lead to inefficient energy production in the muscles, causing sluggishness and reduced endurance. While the standard daily intake for seniors is 75 to 90 milligrams, Many health experts now recommend 200 to 400 milligrams per day for optimal muscle support and antioxidant protection. Looking to supplement? Choose a high-quality, buffered vitamin C formula that's gentle on the stomach and offers consistent absorption. Whether in powder, capsule, or liquid form, it's a simple upgrade with profound impact on your mobility and vitality. At number 5 on our list is a powerhouse mineral that doesn't always get the attention it deserves: magnesium. Though technically a mineral and not a vitamin, magnesium is absolutely critical for muscle health, and deficiency in older adults is both common and often overlooked. Magnesium plays a central role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Think of it as the counterbalance to calcium. While calcium triggers contraction, magnesium helps muscles relax. Without enough of it, your muscles may stay partially contracted, leading to cramps, spasms, tension, and persistent fatigue. These issues don't just feel uncomfortable. Over time, they contribute to muscle breakdown and early decline. But the role of magnesium goes even deeper. It's essential in the production of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy molecule in your body. When magnesium levels are low, your muscles can't generate or use energy efficiently, resulting in sluggishness, weakness, and reduced endurance, even during routine daily activities like walking or climbing stairs. Magnesium is also crucial for protein synthesis, the process by which your body repairs and builds new muscle tissue. Without enough magnesium, your body struggles to maintain muscle mass, speeding up age-related muscle loss. Studies show that even mild deficiencies can impair muscle repair and function. For older adults, the recommended daily intake is 320 milligrams for women and 420 milligrams for men. While you can find magnesium in foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains, many seniors still fall short due to dietary limitations or absorption issues. To bridge the gap, we recommend magnesium glycinate or magnesium L-threonate for their superior bioavailability and gentler impact on digestion. These forms are highly effective for supporting muscle function, energy, and long-term strength. While foods like dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains are excellent sources of magnesium, research shows that over 60% of seniors still don't meet their daily magnesium needs through diet alone. As we age, digestion becomes less efficient, and common medications such as diuretics, proton pump inhibitors, and certain antibiotics can further drain the body's magnesium reserves. Unfortunately, the symptoms of magnesium deficiency, like muscle cramps, fatigue, and general weakness, are often chalked up to just getting older, which means many seniors remain undiagnosed and untreated. That's why magnesium supplementation can be such a powerful tool. But not all magnesium supplements are created equal. If you're considering one, it's important to talk with your doctor first and choose a form that suits your body and lifestyle. Among the best is magnesium glycinate, a gentle, highly bioavailable form that absorbs up to 4 times better than magnesium oxide. It's also easier on the digestive system and avoids the laxative effects that often lead older adults to stop taking their magnesium altogether. Now let's talk about a supplement many people mistakenly think is just for young athletes or bodybuilders: creatine. If you're over 60 and interested in staying strong, mobile, and independent, creatine might just be your new best friend. This compound isn't a vitamin or mineral. It's a naturally occurring substance that fuels your body's fastest and most powerful energy system. Your muscles use creatine to regenerate adenosine diphosphate, ADP, a crucial molecule for short bursts of movement like getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or preventing a fall. As we age, these simple movements become harder. But with creatine, older adults can restore lost strength and confidence. What's more, creatine helps activate satellite cells, the specialized cells responsible for muscle repair and regeneration. After age 60, satellite cell activity can decline by up to 50%, severely limiting your ability to rebuild lost muscle. Fortunately, research shows that creatine supplementation can increase satellite cell activation by 35%, helping your body preserve and restore muscle mass. Clinical trials have confirmed this. Seniors who took creatine alongside light resistance training saw impressive results: a 14% increase in muscle strength and an average gain of 2.2 pounds of lean muscle, all in just 12 weeks. That's faster and more impactful than exercise alone. These improvements translate into real-world benefits: easier movement, more stamina, and most importantly, greater independence. For older adults, a daily dose of 3 to 5 grams of creatine is effective and safe. Unlike younger bodybuilders, seniors don't need a loading phase, making the routine simple and sustainable. Although creatine naturally occurs in red meat and fish, you'd have to eat 2.5 pounds of beef daily to get enough, clearly impractical for most. That's why supplementation is the way to go. We recommend Optimum Nutrition Micronized Creatine Monohydrate, a pharmaceutical-grade supplement that's processed to increase its surface area by 20 times, making it easier to dissolve and absorb. That's especially beneficial for older adults who may have slower digestion. Creatine is one of the most well-researched supplements on the market, with over 200 peer-reviewed studies confirming its effectiveness and safety, even for long-term use in seniors. And here's a bonus. Emerging research suggests creatine may also support cognitive function, offering potential brain benefits alongside its muscle-building powers. It's a rare case where one supplement can truly support both body and mind. Bringing all of this together, creatine, magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin D, and CoQ10, we now have a synergistic lineup of nutrients that target multiple pathways of age-related muscle decline. Each plays a unique and essential role in supporting muscle strength, function, and resilience. Together, they offer a powerful defense against one of the most overlooked risks of aging: losing your physical independence. Supplements are a great tool, but they work best when paired with a healthy diet. Aim to eat a wide variety of colorful vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, seeds, and nuts. These whole foods provide not only vitamins and minerals but also antioxidants and phytonutrients that help your body age more gracefully. Why is muscle preservation so important? It's not just about looking fit, it's about living fully. Strong muscles help prevent falls, support a healthy metabolism, and allow you to stay active, mobile, and independent for longer. Whether you want to travel, play with your grandkids, or simply get through the day with energy and ease, keeping your muscles strong is key. If you suspect you might be missing some of these nutrients, consider asking your doctor for a simple blood test. Identifying deficiencies early can make a huge difference in your quality of life. With the right nutritional support, you can push back against muscle loss and continue enjoying the things you love. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 nutrients surprised you the most? Have you tried any of them? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more science-backed strategies for staying healthy, strong, and independent as you age. Your journey to strength and longevity starts now, and every step counts.